A key to this truck, and he asked me if I can make a key to his padlock, and it's some like random like Chinese lock with no name that I recognize or can read. Like bike something, I don't know. It's trademarked or copywritten, but I didn't have the proper blank, and so I busted out the files. And here's some failures. This one, I got to work, I went to work on it, didn't work. Same with this one, didn't work. And I thought maybe the shoulders were prohibiting it from going in all the way. So I was looking at some more motorcycle blanks, and it's just what I call a drop keyway, It's always hard to get this phone to focus. But it's just a symmetrical keyway where there's one high and it goes same direction. I got a bucket of them, of key blanks that I thought would fit, and I just got this guy to turn. This phone is so bulky, it's hard for me to hold it. Oh, drop the blank. Oh. Bear with me while I get this to balance precariously. I dropped this phone a long time ago and had to get it repaired, but I used a Honda, I think, Motorcycle Keyblank, and I had to file the shoulders off. Even marked on the bottom for some reason. It's weird, but I filed the shoulders off with a real flat file, and lo and behold, it worked. I'm just gonna clean her up. I guess I'll file the bottom where it marked real heavy. I don't know why it marked down there, but now I've got a key that turns it just like that, and it's shoulderless. So a little creative locksmithing. Just like that. Technically the shoulder stop is the bow of the key now, because it bumps right up. Not my best work, but I did what I could with what I had. There's a heavy mark on the, let's see if we can focus in on the mark. So I'm a self-taught locksmith, for those who don't know. Never worked for another locksmith in my life. Kokomo Lock was the guy who inspired me years ago. In one of his videos, he impressioned a Kaba Gemini dimple lock, and I was just like in awe of how amazing that was. But Derek Hooker is a locksmith I've met, and he is one of my biggest inspirations when it comes to impressioning locks. He knows it too. Hi Derek. I call him my spirit animal when it comes to impressioning. He's a real good guy. So he teaches at trade shows. If you ever get the chance to learn from him, do so. He is an amazing locksmith. And I just dropped an $80 file. But as you can see, this key now turns it pretty well. And it's a custom-made key. And I'll have to teach my customer how to use it, but he's a smart man. He'll figure it out. There it goes. Cool. Anywho, keep on learning.